Hello, muraho neza. My name is Barnabe. Nongeye kubaha ikaze mu ishuri ryacu rya kabiri. Ubushize twize ukuntu wasuhuzanya different ways of greetings. Niba utari uhari, go in description uraza kubonamo link hanyuma nawe wige ukuntu usuhuzanya ukoresheje uburyo bwinshi bugiye butandukanye. Hanyuma uyu munsi rero tugiye kwiga sentence construction. Sentence construction, uburyo wakubaka interuro yawe nziza mu Cyongereza. Ese ni ibiki bikenewe kugira ngo wubake interuro yawe nziza mu Cyongereza? Hanyuma mbere yuko dutangira tugiye gutangira na two new vocabularies as usual. Ya mbere ni nail clipper. Nail clipper ni kano karamucisha inzara. Nail clipper niko ni coupongle hanyuma bloom ni umweyo. So this is our two new vocabularies of today. I think obviously aza kubitahana. Coupongle, nail clipper, umweyo bakabita bloom. Umweyo it is used for sweeping, gukubura. Now, sentence construction. Interuro nziza mu Cyongereza igomba kuba ifite ibice bitatu. The first one is subject, ukora igikorwa, hanyuma hakaba verb, inshinga, hanyuma hakazana object, icyuzuzo. You heard me well? Subject, verb and object. You have the sentence is a group of words that express the complete idea. Now, intego kugira ngo yuzure rero igitekerezo cyawe cyuzuye no ifite subject, verb and even object. Now, I eat food. That's a good example. I eat food. I ni subject, eat ni verb, hanyuma food ikaba icyuzuzo cyangwa se object. Now, mu by'ukuri tugiye kwiga what is subject, what is verb and even what is object. Byose baza kubimenya. Iyo uvuze subject they are classified into the subject pronouns and even object pronouns. Hanyuma twiga subject pronouns kuko nizo zingenzi cyane when you are making a good sentence. Hanyuma subject pronouns ari I, you, she, he, it, we, they. I ni njyewe ukora igikorwa. I, njyewe I, then you ikavuga wowe. Hanyuma she ikavuga we ariko w'umukobwa. Hanyuma he ikavuga we ariko w'umuhungu. Hanyuma it ikora ku bintu cyangwa se inyamaswa. Hanyuma wivuga twebwe turi benshi. Hanyuma they ikavuga bo batari ahangaha. Hanyuma izi ni subject pronouns z'ingenzi ugomba kumenya zisimbura amazina cyangwa se ukora igikorwa. Hanyuma tukaza kuri verb rero. Verb ni inshinga nko mubizi. Verb, action verb. Then examples za verb muzi, there is verb to eat ivuga kurya, verb to pray ivuga gukina, verb to pray rusi ivuga gusenga. Verb to pray ni ara ntoya, hanyuma ivuga gukina. Verb to pray ni eronded. Hanyuma verb to go ivuga kujya, to visit ivuga gusura, to study kwiga, to jump gusimbuka, to ask kubaza, to write kwandika. There are a lot of verbs, irregular and regular verbs. Buri mwanya kugira ngo tubisubiremo neza, ariko this is an example of a verb cyangwa se inshinga mu Cyongereza. Hanyuma iyo bavuze object rero, object ni icyuzuzo cyuzuza interuro. Ntabwo wavuga ngo ndagiye, zavuze ngo ngiye ku ishuri, I am going to school, interuro yawe yaba yuzuye. So iyo bavuze object ni icyuzuzo, tuzigana na object pronouns. Hanyuma example hari food like rice, chips, football, basketball, school, a letter, a book. Ibi byose ni object. Hanyuma rero kugira ngo ukore interuro nziza mu ciko tugomba dufite subject, verb and even object. So kuvuga ngo I eat food, ndya ibiryo. I eat food. I eat rice, ndya umuceri. I eat chips, ndya ifiriti. Kuvuga ngo I play football, nkina football. I go to school, njya ku ishuri. I study English, ni Icyongereza. I write a letter, nandika ibaruwa. So this is what I can tell you during the sentence construction. Hanyuma rero ubutaha abo tumaze kumenya ngo interuro iformingwa gute, there is subject, verb and object. Ubutaha tutangira mu tenses, tuziga amatenses. Sasa rero tugiye kwiga three main tenses. Buriya iyo uzi how to construct a sentence ukaba zibyibuze zino tense eshatu. We have three main tenses in English. Next class ntabwo ugomba kubura muri next class. Tuziga present, hakaba past, ndetse hakaba na future. iyo uzi izi tense eshatu uzi kuvuga ibyabaye, ibiba buri gihe n'ibizaba future, hanyuma ukamenya kuvuga present continuous, ibintu bigikomeza ndagiye bikomeza, nukuri ubasha kuvuga icyongereza neza. So ubwo tumaze kumenya rero kuvuga tumaze constructing interuro nziza, utatuziga ama tenses, tuzatangira kuri present hanyuma tumenye ukuntu present iba constructed. So you don't have to miss next class. Don't have to miss next class, and I invite you to all join me in English studying. Tumaze kwiga hamwe how to construct a good sentence, tubonye ko igirwa na subject, verb and even object. So next class tuzatangira kwiga tenses, so you don't have to miss. Thank you very much. Share my video, like, so that even you comment kugira ngo tumeze twigana icyongereza neza kandi vuba.